Hey, so this video I'm gonna go over, because everybody's been asking for a step-by-step thing. I'm gonna go over 3 steps towards creating a breakthrough in your life to take you to whatever that next level is. So real quickly, back in 2012, I was struggling, right, in my business, and I just kept doing the same thing over and over and over again. I was trying to get ahead. I was trying to get enough clients to get my income to the next level. I was doing some freelance work, and I kept doing the same thing, and it wasn't turning into new results. If you feel stuck, if you feel like you're doing stuff but you're not getting anywhere, or if you feel like you just need something to change, you need something big to change, this video's for you. I'm gonna go over basically the 3 steps that I use. So there's 3 S's. So the first step is you've got to have a strategy. The strategy, it can be, depending on whether you're trying to make a change in your income or your relationships. The strategy could be something along the lines of you're going to, it could be you're joining my course and you're gonna start a blog or a vlog. It could be that you're going to start, you're going to create a product, or buy some products from Alibaba and sell them on Amazon or eBay. That strategy could be you're going to become a salesperson, and make really big commissions by selling lots of product. Whatever that strategy is for you, but you need a strategy. You need one strategy, and you need to follow through with it. The mistake a lot of people make, this may sound crazy, but they have strategies. They have all these different things going on. They have all these different ideas of how to get there. You just need a proven strategy that works, and do it. One strategy, make it work. And by the way, for the strategy stuff, you can obviously check out my channel. I go over a lot of different strategies that you can use to create wealth. 2 is you need to have the right story, okay? So if you don't come in, and story, you could say mindset or whatever you want to, we're gonna go sit down. By the way, we're here, we're just running again in Marina Del Rey. Got the Ritz-Carlton right over there. We're gonna sit down. Your story basically is you can't be a victim, right? Your story is your personal view of yourself. What are you doing? Why are you doing it? If you're creating a business just to make money, you're not gonna become successful. That's not motivating. Money is not motivating. You can't eat it, you can't drink it, you can't wear it, you can't make love to it or sleep with it. It's just kind of a concept. So you need something more motivating than money. Your family, or you're doing this to build a family, or you're doing this to stop having to work for a stupid boss all day, or whatever that is. You have to have a good story, and don't be a victim. You can't have a story saying, I'm not good enough, or I'm not smart enough to run an internet business. This is too complicated. If you go in with those kind of stories going on, this is a complicated thing. Business is a struggle, or any of these beliefs. Business is hard. But maybe that's not a good story. You want to tell yourself that this, I tell you all day, this is easy, and it is easy. If you approach it like that, it will be easy. But if you're always worried about you saying, oh, this is too technical, or I don't feel comfortable putting my face on a YouTube channel, or I don't feel comfortable having people read my blog and criticize me. If you come in with the wrong story, you're going to have the wrong result. Then the third thing is, so there's 1, we have strategy. 2, we have story. Third thing we have is state. So your state is how much energy do you have? How do you approach things? Are you positive? Are you good? Is your mind clear? Are you mentally clear? Are you mentally focused? If you aren't focused, if you're constantly, oh, let me check my phone, or let me check my Facebook. If you're not in the right state, if you're not, I'm gonna make this happen. If you don't approach business saying, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna sit down, I'm gonna work, I'm gonna affect the world, I'm gonna change things, I'm gonna help people, whatever that is, you'll do it. But do you understand, if you don't approach something with the right state, with the right, whatever mindset or, energy, what's gonna happen? What's gonna happen? You're gonna get unfocused. The next thing that comes up, your wife, your girlfriend, your husband, your boyfriend, your cousin, your mom, your sister, your brother, whatever, the next thing they tell you, they say, hey, they call you. Let's say they call you, hey, what's going on? Hey, can you help me with something? You're gonna move on to the next thing because you're not in the right state. You're not in that state that I'm working, I'm focused, I'm gonna make it happen. People become distracted. How many people here become distracted all freaking day when they're working on their business? You're not in the right state. When I approach things, I go hardcore at them, okay? When I'm creating a business, or when I say when I'm doing, when I'm, when I'm building an affiliate, the work I do, basically when I'm building an affiliate campaign, or when my intention is to meet somebody important, or when my goal is, right now I'm building a board of advisors, so that's important to me. I'm trying to find the right people to put in my board of advisors for my company. There's all this stuff, and I approach it, I say, I'm gonna do this. I'm not getting unfocused, I'm getting it done. I'm not stopping until this new website is designed and it's correct. I'm gonna do everything to make sure whatever needs to happen in my business, if it's a new hire, a new investor, whatever, it happens. Don't let yourself react to other people, basically. You wanna be the person that others react to. You wanna be the reason people do things, you don't wanna be the subject. So, strategy, story, state, and you'll be good. So those are the three. If you change those things, and you'll have a breakthrough. Change your strategy. If it's not making you money, if it's not helping you out in life, change it. You can find out about some on this channel. Change your story. If your story has been, I'm a victim, this is hard, I'm not good enough, all the good opportunities have been taken, that's what's gonna happen. You wanna change it so that it's actually something productive for you. And then 3 is you wanna change your state. If you are sitting down, if you are lazy, if you don't have energy, one of the things people love to meet me because I approach everything with a lot of energy. People say, whoa, I have to meet this guy. A lot of people come up to me, they say, wow, John, I just had to meet you. Why? I just care about things a lot. When I do things, everything I do is with passion. So have the right state and you'll naturally attract whatever that is. Money, relationships. I'm positive, I'm not judging people. I work very hard to do this. Whatever that state is, if you're late, a lot of people, they're lazy, they get unfocused, they don't care. Change your state, run. I run a lot. I keep my body fit. So do whatever you can. Change those 3 things. Guys, let me know in the comments what you're going to change, what you need to change in your life. Do you need to change your strategy the most? Do you need to change your story? Or do you need to change your state? And which one are you committed to changing? So let me know in the comments. Love you guys. Love you guys. You guys are family. You guys have been awesome, by the way. Love waking up every morning. If you guys see, make sure you comment because I respond to almost everybody. So I love hearing what you guys are doing. I love hearing how you guys are improving. I'm getting so many emails and so many stories and so many people shooting videos, video testimonials. It's unbelievable how many people here are becoming successful. Unbelievable. Obviously many are part of my students, but I have a lot of people just on this channel who haven't even, don't go through my program. I don't care. By the way, I don't care what you do. I don't care how you do it. But if I can help motivate you, inspire you, make you want to be a better version of yourself, I want you to be the James Bond version of yourself. James Bond is like who is that ultimate version of yourself? So I want every one of you guys to be that. Let me know in the comments, what do you need to change to become that James Bond version of yourself? Your state, your story, your strategy, and look forward to seeing you guys as always. Hey, thanks for watching the video, and if you enjoyed this and you want to see more, make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell, or comment. And if you'd like to actually learn how it is I run my internet business and make piles of money like this,
make sure you click the link below in the description or in the first comment, and I will show you. Peace.